Bonjour, je m'appelle Ravi. Today we will be making macarons. Avec moi.
Alright, so first things first. We're gonna get our cookie sheet, get our wax paper, put our wax paper on the cookie sheet. Alright, next we're gonna go on a hunt for some wild coconuts. As we can observe here, the wild coconuts are in their natural habitat, just enjoying the sunlight. Alright, now I got my ritual coconut cutting sword. And you just gently want to cut the coconut. Ha! Got it. I'm gonna quickly grab my mixing vessel. Now I'm gonna grab my rolled oats. And now I'm gonna use an ancient Mayan technique to harvest the oats. Never mind, jar's too small. I guess I'll pour my oats in the regular way then. So you're gonna want to pour exactly 180 mils of rolled oats into your bowl. Now you're gonna want to gently grate your coconut into a sweetened flake coconut for just about 65 mils. Got all those nice sweetened coconut flakes. I'm gonna grab my lightsaber and mix with that. And now I will channel my powers of the dark side to make this mix faster. And now we will take 100 mils of white sugar, and now we will dump it in and sift it. Now let me grab my cocoa powder. Now let me grab my rock and open the first layer of the can. And now I'm going to take my can opener and open the second layer of the can. Oh wait, never mind, it's defective. Oh yes, this is much better. Much more sharper and easier to use than the last thing. It'll definitely penetrate to the second layer way faster. Now that our cocoa powder vessel is open, let's get to measuring. You're going to want to take exactly 35 mils of cocoa powder. And you're going to want to save that bad boy. And now you're going to want to intermingle that white sugar and cocoa powder together in your vessel, like so. Then you're going to want to take your paintbrush and just mix it all together like so. Pretend like you're Bob Ross, maybe even speak like in a nice little soft voice. And then just at the end, you're just going to want to do a little classic Bob Ross maneuver and just beat the devil out of it. Now you're going to want to grab your sauce. Oh, hold up, this one's a bit small. Still not quite the size we need. See, now that's about right. So now you're going to want to put those intermingled items inside a transdimensional funneling device, like this one. And now you're going to want to use the transdimensional energy of the device to super sift all the ingredients into the sauce vessel. And now add 35 milliliters of milk. Now what you're going to want to do is place it on medium heat. And now it is time to yeet 35 milliliters of margarine into the sauce vessel. And now we are going to mix this until we get a nice gooey chocolatey texture. Anytime now. Now you can turn off the burner. And you can move your sauce vessel to help cool it down. Just add a quick 2 milliliters of vanilla extract. Mix that in. And now we're going to add our intermingled rolled oats into our sauce vessel. And intermingle some more.
Perfect! Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one.
Well, that's a lot of dishes. Somebody should probably do that.